magkakasama. Ang Pasko ay kay saya kung kayo'y kapiling na. Sana pagsapit ng Pasko, kayo'y naririto. Kahit pa malayo ka, kahit nasaan ka pa, maligayang bati para sa inyo sa araw ng Pasko.
Sa ibang bansa'y di mo makikita.
Ngiti sa labi ng bawat isa. Alam naming hindi na nais malayo. Paskong Pinoy pa rin sa ating puso. Lagi mo na maiisip na sila'y nandito sana. At sa Noche Buena ay magkakasama. Ang Pasko ay kay saya kung kayo'y kapiling na. Sana pagsapit ng Pasko, kayo'y naririto. Kahit pa malayo ka, kahit nasaan ka pa, maligayang bati para sa inyo sa araw ng Pasko. Alalahanan pa ang Christmas tree, ang Christmas tree. Ang Pasko ay kay saya kung kayo'y kapiling na. Sana pagsapit ng Pasko, kayo'y naririto. Kahit pa malayo ka, kahit nasaan ka pa, maligayang bati para sa inyo. Ang Pasko ay kay saya kung kayo'y kapiling na. Sana pagsapit ng Pasko, kayo'y naririto. Kahit pa malayo ka, kahit nasaan ka pa, maligayang bati para sa inyo sa araw ng Pasko.
Tagaraw sa may dagat na masyal at pagdilim sa may baybay humimlay at nagyakap sabay sa pagsabog ng alon, sabay sa paghuni ng ibon. Saksi ay liwanag ng buwan. Di ba sabi mo pa na wala pang iba, na ako ang una sa pagmamahal mo, sinta. At ang buhay nating dalawa'y nagbuo
inaasahan ang mga pangyayari. At dinaramdam ko rin ang gusto, ang pagkasawi ng ating pag-ibig. Ngunit, kailangan tanggapin natin na ganito ang buhay. Ibig ko lang malaman mo na mahal pa rin kita.
At nagyakap sabay sa pagsapog ng alon. Di ba sabi mo pa na wala nang iba, at sa habang buhay tayo'y magsasama. Nakamtan ko ang pagmamahal mo, sinta. Ngunit bakit sa tag-ulan ay naglaho? Singlamig ng gabi ang mga halik mo, niwala ng apoy titig mo sa akin. Naglaho na ang pagmamahal mo, sinta.
Hello, little ones! It looks like we're having too much fun here. It's time to clean up. Pero busy pa po kami. We're training to become superheroes.
Superhero? Eh, ang tunay na superhero tumutulong sa gawaing bahay.
Ganon po ba? Little ones, let's put our happy household helper mode on.
Household chores? That sounds like a big word. What does it mean, Yana?
It's actually simple. Household chores are the little jobs we do to keep our home clean, tidy, and happy.
What kind of jobs?
Well, it can be putting away toys, sweeping or mopping the floor, washing the dishes, doing the laundry, or even helping set the table.
Wow! So chores are all the things that make the home run smoothly.
Exactly! And you know what? Household chores are super important.
Really? Why, Yana?
First, chores keep our home safe and clean. No slipping on spills or stepping on toys.
That makes sense. And I think chores also teach us responsibility, like taking care of our own space.
Yes, and chores build life skills too. Cooking, cleaning, and organizing now helps us to become independent later.
I like that chores also help us work together as a team.
And the clean and organized home just feels so much better to live in. So remember, friends, even though chores may seem small or boring, they're actually really important.
Let's all be happy household helpers.
favorite na laro ang walis at basahan. Hide and seek.
Why is the floor always so happy? Because it's always organized.
Biglang napaalam ang pagmamahal sa
Playmates! This is Yana reporting for LJP News. Great news for all of us who love watching INC-TV. The network recently received multiple awards from the National Council for Children's Television, or NCCT, for creating shows that are fun, educational, and child-friendly. The celebration was held at the Heritage Hotel Manila as NCCT marked its 28th anniversary. INC-TV was recognized for its strong commitment to producing programs that help children learn good values while enjoying quality entertainment. Two of INC-TV's shows, Little One's Playlist and INC News Junior, also received special awards for following the child-friendly content standards. These awards show how much effort and love the production teams put into making programs that inspire and teach children in a positive way. The event also highlighted the importance of listening to and understanding children's emotions, reminding everyone that media can play a big role in helping kids grow kinder and wiser. INC-TV expressed its deep gratitude to the Iglesia Ni Cristo Church Administration for always guiding the network's mission to create shows that promote faith, kindness, and responsibility among young viewers. This recognition reminds us that when we watch the right kind of programs, we not only have fun, we also learn and become better children of God. This is Yana for LJP News. Until the next great news, little ones!
Ladies and gentlemen, please welcome Angela Steve. We have Diana Steve. Three. On your marks. Lala Jada, get set, go! No, Jada, get free! Go! I'm a happy household helper! Shout, 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 shout! Okay, go back to your team! Jada, go back to your team! I did it! Go, Jan. Go, 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 go! Go, fast! Go! Sige, keep going. And the winner is Yana Steve!
Why is the mop the floor's best friend? Because they always stick together. Why's the dust always scared? Because it's always been swept away.
What do you get when a sponge tells a joke? A bubbly laugh.
Pag-ibig ko sa'yo'y totoo, ni walang halong biro. Kaya sana'y paniwalaan mo ang pag-ibig kong ito. Walang ibang mamahalin kundi ikaw lamang kilig. Kaya sana'y paniwalaan mo ang pag-ibig kong ito. Sa aking buhay ay walang kabantay aking pagmamahal. Asahan mo tunay. Pag-ibig ko sa'yo'y totoo, ni walang halong biro. Kaya sana'y paniwalaan mo ang pag-ibig kong ito. Kaya sana'y paniwalaan mo ang pag-ibig kong ito. Sa aking buhay ay walang kabantay aking pagmamahal. Asahan mo tunay. Pag-ibig ko sa'yo'y totoo, ni walang halong biro. Kaya sana'y paniwalaan mo ang pag-ibig kong ito. Kaya sana'y paniwalaan mo ang pag-ibig kong ito.
sa iyo'y nagmamahal. Huwag mong sayangin ang panahon, pagkat ito'y may hangganan. Buksan mo ang pintuan kasama ng iyong puso. Tinangay na ng hangin ang masamang panaginip, kaya't bigyan mo ng puwang ang puso mong nalulumbay. Isip mo'y unti-unting nawawalan, nalilito ang tulad mo'y parang usok, unti-unting naglalaho.
Layla's first day of school. The sun is setting as the day comes to an end. In their cozy room, Layla and John talk about how their day went. Layla is cheerful and excited from this day, though there were a few things that didn't exactly go her way. It was Layla's first day of school, new surroundings, new people, and a lot of new rules. She was very excited, so she greeted her classmates with a happy hello. But at the same time, Layla didn't want to say bye and see her parents go. Then she remembered her prayers that morning. To the Almighty God, Layla was calling, asking to have courage, wisdom, and protection as she makes friends and builds new connections. Just before the teacher started her class, Layla said a prayer. Then it's math, reading, and writing later. Layla loves numbers, adding them to one another. She couldn't wait to tell all of these to her younger brother. At exactly 2 o'clock, the teacher ended art class and put down the chalk. Everyone packed their bags and walked outside to show their waiting parents their artwork with pride. But Layla chose to stay behind because she had something else on her mind. I should wash my hands first. She wanted to wash both her hands because they were covered with lots of colors and sand. To her surprise, the door wouldn't open as Layla tried leaving. At that moment, she couldn't describe what she was feeling. She wanted to panic or cry instantly, and even scream and shout wildly. But Layla remembered the advice of her father as well as the reminder of her dear mother. When you're scared, nervous, or terrified, you must remember God is on your side. So stay calm, breathe, and close your eyes. Trust the Father in heaven who is almighty and wise. Pray to him and tell your problems. He will make a way to help you solve them. And that was exactly what Layla did. It didn't matter that she was only a kid. She closed her eyes and told God what she needed. And without doubt in her heart, she believed that God has already provided. She truly felt that everything will be okay, and that soon she will be on her way. So she calmly called her help, but at the same time thought of a way to help herself. And then she heard her mother call out her name. Layla turned the keys, this time the other way, because in her haste and panic, she forgot about a lock simple trick. Mama, I locked the washroom and couldn't open it right away.
I was waiting for you outside.
As she opened the door and greeted her mother, Layla said, Mama, I want to pray to give my thanks to the Almighty Father. Back in their room, Layla's little brother John was taken by the scary event that was going on. He saw his sister being so brave, but Layla told him it was God who brought her home safe. Layla's first day of school.
Gawin ng may kasiyahan ang gawaing bahay. Hindi kailangan mabigat ang pakiramdam. Lagyan ng ngiti, kanta o laro habang naglilinis. Maging maingat at responsable. Gumamit ng tamang gamit sa paglilinis. Siguraduhin din na hindi masasaktan o mapapahamak habang gumagawa. Tumulong ng buong puso. Hindi lang basta gawa. Gawin ito bilang pagmamahal sa pamilya at bilang pasasalamat sa Diyos.
Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Happy birthday!
At then little ones, natutuhan natin ngayong araw na kahit simple household chores, malaking tulong na sa pamilya.
Remember, ang paglilinis ay hindi lang para sa bahay. Nakakatulong din ito para maging malinis ang isip at puso natin.
At syempre, mas masaya kung gagawin natin ito ng may ngiti at pagmamahal.
Hanggang sa muli, patuloy na matuto, makisaya at mag-enjoy dito lang sa Little Ones Playlist!
This song is from Gilbert's Hard to Find Music Library.
Ang lahat ay nagdiriwang, Paskong masagana, higaya ang diwa.
Christmas tree naggagandahan, daming ilaw ang tanglaw. Pula berde at may dilaw, may puti at may buhaw.
Pagmasdan alaala ng puso ko. Christmas ka na buhay sa'yo. Alaala ting araw ng Pasko. Ialay ang iyong pagmamahal. ting ang ting-a-ling-ling, ting-ting-a-ling-ting. Naglalambing ang munting bating-ting habang kinukuliling. Anyayahan tawagin ang kaibigan niyo. Limutin ang lungkot sa aming buhay, tayo'y magmahalan.
Sa'yo ay sumapit masayang Pasko. Yan ang hiling ng puso ko, nagmamahal sa'yo. Lumigaya ka sa tuwina, kahit di Pasko. At ang hiling sa Paskong ito, magkapiling tayo, magkapiling tayo. Puto at suman, kung Pasko'y patitikman, kahit sa syudad o sa bayan, lahat ay may handaan. Sa baryo ay karaniwan ang puto at suman. Anong sarap, malinamnam itong puto at suman.
Saganang Pasko, saganang Pasko, saganang Pasko, taong manigo sa ating mundo. Manigong Pasko at bagong taon, katahimikan aming dasal sa ating mundo. Ang Pasko sa inyo'y sumapit, sagana at may pag-ibig.